Make $300 a day online with affiliate marketing basics. Hey, it's Daniel P. Robertson here, and in this video we are talking about some affiliate marketing basics, specifically 5 basics that you need to learn in order to get life-changing results with affiliate marketing. So make $100 a day, $200 a day, $300 a day, even $500 a day and more online with affiliate marketing. So cue the intro and let's go ahead and jump into it. Okay, so hey, it's Daniel P. Robertson, and if you're a subscriber, thank you for coming back. We welcome you here. If you're not a subscriber, and if you want to grow your audience, increase your influence, and get life-changing results with affiliate marketing, make sure to go ahead and subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you can get notified of the content that I release. So we are talking about the 5 affiliate marketing basics you need to learn. And so here's the thing of how this works. You may be familiar with Coach John Wooden. He's a famous basketball coach. And one of the things he's known for is teaching and drilling his teams on the fundamentals, on the basics. It's not the advanced, strategies and tactics that win games. It's really when a team is able to execute on the fundamentals consistently and at a high level, then the team can win. The same thing, Jet Li, you might be familiar, has said that I don't fear the man who's practiced 10,000 kicks. I fear the man who's practiced one kick 10,000 times. And so the same thing applies to affiliate marketing. It's not that you need to learn a lot of different things or that you need to learn advanced strategies and tactics and things like that. You can get life-changing results by just applying the basics of affiliate marketing. And there's 5 specific basics that I'm going to be focusing on here in this video. And you don't even have to master them at the Jet Li level. Like, you don't have to be the Jet Li of affiliate marketing. If you can do these 5 things at a pretty good level, you can win. And so let's jump into the first one, which is the first skill you need to get pretty good at is self-mastery. Self-mastery. And it's number 1, and it's the most important one. And because this is the one thing that's going to set you apart from the competition. 99% of people fail with affiliate marketing. And the reason is because of self-mastery. They haven't mastered themselves. And so there's really 3 specific things that I'm going to be talking about when it comes to self-mastery. First is getting started even when you're scared and even when you're not sure of the results. I know this has held me back multiple times over years that I didn't get started with something because I was scared, because of self-doubt, because I wasn't sure how it was going to work or if it was going to work. I believed in the process. I understood the process. I had a pretty good grasp on the process from learning about it and looking at other people succeed, but I didn't believe in my own ability to execute and get results. And so that kept me from taking action. And I know so many other people struggle with this same exact thing of not even getting started because of fear and self-doubt. And I don't want that to be you, and I want to encourage you to get started. And by getting started, I don't mean learning. Anyone can learn and research and learn about affiliate marketing. But what I mean by getting started is by taking what you learn and implementing it. And the second part of self-mastery that I'm talking about is keep going. Keep going even when things get tough. And again, this is something else that held me back many times. I remember one specific circumstance that held me back is I was getting results with a blog that I was doing. I was actually starting to get results. I was making some money. It wasn't a lot, but it was starting to kind of kick in and kind of gain some momentum because I was doing some things and they were working. But then I hit one roadblock. I did one thing and it didn't work out the way that I expected it to. And because it didn't work out the way I expected it to, I got frustrated and I gave up and I stopped. All that momentum, gone. All that momentum was gone. I lost everything that I had built up to that point because I didn't keep the momentum going by keeping going, even though things got tough. If I would have just, learned from my mistake and kept going, things would have been, a lot different. I would have kept that momentum going. I would have learned from that mistake and learned what to do instead. And so that's the number one tip, is to keep going, even when things get frustrating, even when things seem hard, even when things seem like they're not working, keep going. And then the third part of self-mastery that I want to talk about is learning how to be self-aware enough to know what's not working and where you need to improve, so that you can tweak your process and improve it. You don't want to change your entire process. You don't want to throw everything you've done out the window. You don't want to throw all that hard work away and just basically stop and then start all over from scratch. That's not the way to do it. Look at what's going on. Look at what's working and what's not working, and then improve your process so that you can tweak that and then see if that leads to the results. And then that leads back to number 2, keep going. The second part is keep going. So get started, keep going, tweak it as you go to make sure you're getting better, and then keep going again. Still keep going. And then if you can do that, if you can do those 3 things consistently over and over again, over a long enough period of time, you're going to get results. You're not going to be part of the 99%. You'll be part of the 1% that actually gets results and gets those life-changing results with affiliate marketing. Okay, so that's number 1. So the second skill to get pretty good at, if you want to get those life-changing results, the $500 a day or the $300 a day or whatever it is, quit your job money. The second step is to learning how to get in front of your target market. And there's many different ways to do that. That can be like, if you're doing a blog, how to get traffic to your blog. If you're doing social media marketing, how to get followers and connections on social media. If you're doing YouTube, it's how to get views on YouTube. As you might be able to tell from this video, I'm heavily focused right now on YouTube. So here's my suggestion, is to take one platform, one traffic source, and just immerse yourself in that one traffic source. Don't worry about, everything else. Don't worry about Facebook and Instagram and blogging and all this other stuff if your focus is YouTube. Focus on YouTube. Learn YouTube. Get good at YouTube. Learn everything you can about YouTube and do that. Or learn everything you can about blogging and do that. But as you're learning, implement. Don't learn everything and everything and everything and for everything and never implement. Learn and implement, and then learn the next part and implement, and learn the next part and implement. So immerse yourself in learning about the platform. Take maybe, just a few days, a week maybe, to research the platform, and then immediately start implementing those things that you've learned over that period. Like, do it fast. Success loves speed. So again, back to self-mastery, get started, and get started sooner rather than later. So getting in front of your traffic, your target audience, that's going to be, you choose a platform, learn that platform, do that platform. Okay, and so the third thing you need to get pretty good at to get those results with affiliate marketing is learning what to say or how to structure your content so that when you get in front of your target market, you're actually building trust and keeping the attention of those people that are interacting with that content. If you're doing a blog, learn how to write a blog properly with power words and copywriting, and how you structure the page so that people keep reading all the way to the end. That's your goal. If you're doing videos, learn how to keep people watching your videos all the way to the end. Learn the skills, learn the online presence, learn how to deliver the information in the way that you need to learn in order to keep people interested and engaged with your content, and to keep them, and to earn their trust. The fourth skill you want to get pretty good at to get those good results with affiliate marketing, those life-changing results, is sales. A lot of people hate sales. A lot of people think that selling is evil, that it's bad, that if you're selling people, you're like scamming them or something like that. And I understand, because I've often felt the same way. But what I've learned and what I understand is that sales is not bad if you're doing it ethically. If you're selling people to things or recommending people things that will help them, then you're actually helping them and you're actually doing a disservice to them if you are not recommending those things that will help them in their journey. So learn to get comfortable with the idea of sales. Learn to get comfortable with selling, with pitching stuff, with recommending stuff to your audience. As the audience grows and learns to trust you, learn to pitch stuff to them and be comfortable with it. And to not think that selling is evil, because it's not. Selling is an important part of what makes this world go around. Okay, and then so the fifth and final skill that you need to get pretty good at to get those good results with affiliate marketing is the follow-up. There's a saying that says the fortune is in the follow-up. There's statistics out there. It used to be that you needed to follow up on average with something like 7 times in order to get the sale. But really, nowadays, it's so busy and so crowded that the statistics now show that you need to follow up with your prospect at least, on average, 12 times. Not at least, on average, 12 times in order to get the sale. So on average, someone will come in contact with you 12 times before they're going to buy from you. And that comes down to that trust factor. The number one thing I told you that you need to get results with affiliate marketing is trust of your audience. And so follow-up, showing up in front of your audience consistently, is key to building that trust, to following up with your audience, to earn that sale, to earn that trust, to get the sales. And so what's really important for this is to learn how to do email marketing. And there's other ways that you can do this. You could do, Facebook Messenger bots, or you can do stuff like that. But really, email is still king when it comes to converting leads into sales. Email is still king for now. And that might be changing in the future, but I can tell you that building an email list and learning how to follow up with that email list in order to guide them through a structured sales journey is going to get you really good results. So there's the 5 tips. Learn self-mastery, learn to get in front of your target audience, learn how to structure things once you get in front of your audience so you can build trust with them and keep them interested, learn to be comfortable with sales, and then learn how to do the follow-up, especially with email marketing and other things like that. Learn those 5 things, get pretty good at them. You don't even have to master them all the way to get those life-changing results. Do that and you can win. And if you like this content and want to hear more about affiliate marketing and building a business online, if you want to grow your audience, increase your influence, and get life-changing results with affiliate marketing, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon.